Hi, today we will see about how to find the adjoint for 3 cross 3 matrix. So adjoint of 3 cross 3 A matrix is actually cofactor of A to the transpose. So first we will find the cofactor. So cofactor of A. So cofactor of A matrix will be equal to, so how we will write, when I take this first one, plus 1, you leave this row and leave this column, we will write only the remaining things, which is 2, 6, minus 4 and 2. Similarly, when we consider 4, leave this row and leave this column, which is minus 5, 6, minus 1, 2. Similarly, when we take this minus 3, third one, we leave this row and leave this column, which will come like minus 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4. So similarly, when we take this value minus 5, it will be 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, and from here it is minus 4, 2. And when we take this middle value 2, location, we leave this row and this column, which will be 1 minus 3 and minus 1, 2. Similarly, the last one, 6, if you leave, left out 1, 4, minus 1, minus 1. 1, 4, minus 1, minus 4. So the last one, if we take this minus 1, we have 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 2, 6. And then, if we consider this minus 4, it will be 1 minus 3, and then minus 5, 6. Then the last one 2, if you consider the last one 2, it will be 1, 4, minus 5, 2. Yeah. So now, as our general rule, cofactor will be equal to 2 2s are 4 minus, so I'll just write directly 2 2s are 4 minus of 24. So it will be plus 24 plus 4. It will be plus 28. 5 2s are 10 minus 10, then minus into minus 10 plus 6. So it will be minus 4. This 20 plus 2, 22. 4 into 2 is 8, minus of 12. So minus 4. 1 into 2 is 2, minus of 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This minus 4 plus 4. 0. 6 4s are 24, minus into minus plus, so 24 plus 6 is 30. 1 into 6 is 6, minus of 15, plus 15. So 6 plus 15 is 21. And 1 4 minus 5 2. So 2 minus into minus plus, so 4 5 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So now after this we need to change the sign. This will be plus, so it's like plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So plus, there will be no change, so minus into minus, this will become plus, here no change, minus into minus, this will become plus, this no change, this is 0, so no problem, plus 30 is 30, so here this minus, here plus, so this will become minus 21 and this is plus. So what we found now, this is your cofactor of A. If I want to find the adjoint of A, I need to transpose. We need to transpose this. So adjoint of A will be equal to, we need to transpose this, which is equal to, we have to consider row to column and column to row, which means it will become 28, this 4 will come here, 22 will go here, 22, 4, minus 1, 0, 30, minus 21, 22. So this is how we find the adjoint for 3 cross 3. We will just explain again. Adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix is equal to cofactor of A transpose. So first we will find the cofactor. For the first one, leave the row, leave the column, we write the remaining one. Similarly, for the second location 4, leave this row, leave this column, we get minus 5 6, minus 2 1. So similarly, we fill for all the location. Then we find the determinant for this individual. 2 into 2 is 4, minus into 6, minus into minus, so plus 24 plus 4, so we get 28. Similarly, we do for determinant for all, we get this matrix. So after we got this matrix, we need to change the sign. Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So once we change it, we get this matrix is a cofactor of A. Now you need to transpose this matrix, then you will get the adjoint of A. So this is how we will do the adjoint. Thank you.